Guess who's back? Back again. Shady's back. Tell a friend.
Oh, there y'all go. Welcome to the Cooking General. Oh, man. Boy, guess what? Another relative bit the dust and got married. And guess what? She gets married, and guess what she can't do? Cook. Oh, I feel sorry for him. I feel sorry, but not too sorry for him because guess what? Because her cousin is a general. Not a chef, a general. I can cook anything. Man, she said, cuz, man, I want you to cater my wedding. I can't cater it because I'm too busy with my schedule. But I can tell you what I can do. I can give you with a catering company that can cater you real good. And the food was excellent because I chose them. And everything went good. But I said, I tell you what, though, I'm going to have to give you some cooking lessons. And I say, you want to make this man some breakfast. You want to impress him. You want to impress him. You don't know how to impress him? Oh, man. Come here, let me show you how you can impress them damn men. Come here. Check it out here. First of all, we're going to cook them some breakfast first. Okay, you're going to need some potatoes, some orange sausage, and bacon. And you already know. Spank them right there. Now we're going to need some now this is a 3 cheese, but it's got that Philadelphia cream cheese in it. So it melts real good. Now, we're going to have some right here. We got some diced green onions, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, some black pepper, some Creole season, and some sour cream. And we're going to need some eggs. Oh, man. What can you do with that? I know a lot of y'all can say, oh, man, I know where you're going with this here. But no, you don't. I did this a long time ago. Man, it's going to be a good one. Oh, hold on. This going up. Oh, man. Oh! Better ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General, boy. Now, I already know my last video, I ain't show a lot of details, and I'm finna get back to the details because I know my cousin really gonna need them. So, come here, let me show you what I'm doing. Now, I'm putting me some bacon right here. And you know, I already know I put my bacon in the oven. You see I got my bacon here? I got my oven on 350. Y'all already know 350 is about the temperature you cook everything. You throw that in the oven. Now, I got my potatoes in here boiling right there. And I put just a little salt in my water. Now, you're going to need some margarine or butter for your potatoes. And now, see, I shake my pan sausage as rings. This is done for a purpose before the eggs. And you'll see what I'm talking about later on. Oh, man. There you go. There you go, cuz. Now, you can't follow these simple directions. And I'm trying to give much detail as I can. And if you don't really understand, it's really simple. Just, you know, oh, man, come on, y'all, man. You know how we do it. Let me see how I can do it. Oh, look at
that. Lusty, fuzzy, yet so crystal clear. The non-commercial set is now here. Brought to you by the will of positive people. KRS plus 1 equals slamming lyrics and beats.
Hey, check this out here, y'all. Now, cuz, check it out. This is what you do. All right, you get your water boiling. When this water gets boiling, you want to cut it off. You cut it off. And then you want to add your 2 eggs to that water. Now, you don't want to boil them. You just want to get them poached. Put them in there like that. Now, look at that. You got these here pre-cooked, but they're not all the way cooked. They just cooked and done enough because they're going to go in the oven. Now, you got the potatoes already out. I got the mash. You want to add some butter to them, and we're going to mix that in there with them. Then you want to take your dab of sour cream. You want to put in them eggs like that. Now, you want to put your favorite Creole seasoning or Cajun seasoning in it like that. A little black pepper like that. And you want to add your little garlic powder. And if you want it spicy, a little cayenne pepper. Like that. Now, I'm going to say the green onions for the last when we get the bacon. You want to mix that up real good, just like this, and it's coming on good. And guess what? I never even told you the name of this dish. This is a dish I cooked back when I was in training, when I was a first level chef. Yes, I was a chef. Second level, third, fourth, fifth, 5-star general. You all, y'all, we never heard of you. You ain't no Gordon Ramsay or none of them big name. Because I was special listed as a general. Now I'm a cooking general. I can cook anything. You okay? You don't believe me? Go on YouTube. Look up Cooking General. Matter of fact, look up Almost a One. And then look up the Cooking General. And you better ask somebody. To the cooking show. Man, hey, cuz, I'm gonna set you up this time. I'm gonna set you up too, because it's gonna be a double hitter weekend. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do another video within 24. 24. And if y'all can put that number to anything, 24. Think of a number that's got 24 in it, and then think what I'm thinking of in my mind. Now, 24. Remember that. 24. It's got 24. Okay, now come in, let me show you what I'm doing with this here. Now, see, cuz, you just smash the potatoes out. Now, you remember I got the butter in there and all that stuff. Now, what you want to do is check this out here. You want to put you another little dab of sour cream right there. Just a little dab right there. You want it in the milk. Now, you want to put you a little cheese in there right there, right in the milk. On top of that sour cream. Oh man, I tell y'all, even in my learning stages, I was a good man. I'm talking about a chef. Okay, now I'm gonna use crispy bacon over here. Now, if that's what y'all like, the crispy bacon. Now you put it on this one. Now, say if you like a little, some people like a little bacon, they don't like their bacon too done. And then you put these over here. Now, you probably like, okay, cooking dude, okay, check it out. Now, you take your sausage rings, and then you put them on. Okay, like that. Now, I got my stuff here. Now, these eggs have been poached. You want to poach them, and look at that. You want to put them in there like that. That's poached egg. Poached egg. Crack it. Put it right there. Now, put your green peppers, top of there. Ready? Like that. Okay. Now, you got your poached peppers and that. Now, what you want to do next is you want to put just a little black pepper on top of your eggs. Like that. Alrighty? And I'm just going to just put just a pinch of salt, because I like my eggs to just have a little salt flavor. Now, I got my egg oven set for 370 on this one. And then you want to kind of be careful with your pan. You want to put them in the oven and just let them bake until the eggs get done. Probably going to take about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Ooh, boy. I was a young, expiring man. Man, y'all ain't even seen. I could do a video right now for the rest of your life and I would never run out of ideas. People like, well, cooking dinner, can you cook Korean? Can you cook Chinese? Can you cook Ethiopian? Can you do vegetarian? Can you do, man, if you can eat it, I can cook it. You better ask somebody. Welcome back to the Cooking General. Man, I told y'all I was going to do this here because, man, you got a winner. You know, you bake this thing, you got it right. You got it just right. You get it just right. Now, I know it takes a little bit longer than a normal breakfast, but you're trying to impress somebody. Remember that. You're trying to impress somebody. Now, come in and show you what I worked with. Now, check this out here. Man, look at that. You got your green onions. The egg is done. Look at that. She got it poached just right. You got the ring of sausage around it. Your cheese melted. You got your potatoes, the garlic. Man, and look at that. Look at that. All comes together. Man. And then you do this, you gotta drink a beer after you do that. Man. If I don't do another video today or tomorrow, whatever, nope. This is my idea. And you need to, hit the music, let's